Basement floods and leaks can be both damaging to your home and a costly fix. Water damage can destroy your personal belongings. It can ruin your flooring, appliances, drywall, and if not dried properly, it can result in mold problems. So what can homeowners do to prevent water damage to the basement? I'm Sean Ryan with Blue Coast Realty, and today we are looking at some of the main sources of floods and what you can do to help flood-proof your basement. This is how to prevent flooding in your basement. First, set your sub pump up right. The sub pump is the heart of your basement flooding prevention system. If you aren't familiar, sub pumps are a small pit that collects water from around the perimeter of your home into your basement, and then it pumps it out of the house. If it's not working properly or power goes out, AC operated sub pumps can't pump the water out of your home. So water builds up and it could overflow and flood. There are a few sub pump solutions like a battery backup or a generator so there is power for your unit to continue working. There are also water backup pumps which use municipal water to pump the water out by using suction from the sub pit. And by the way, there are companies in Sarnia, Lambton that can install these for you. Second, get a backwater valve to prevent sewage backups. During major storms, sewage can back up into your home and it is horrible. A backwater valve allows flow in one direction, but prevents it from coming back up inside. Get a licensed plumber to install one of these. Next, you should check out the soil slope around your home. If the slope goes towards your home, that means rainwater will likely run towards your foundation and could potentially cause flooding in your basement. The fix here is to make sure that soil around your home slopes away from the foundation, so that water will run away from your house instead of towards it. Fourth, you should also prevent soil from pulling away from the house by filling that in. Water can get built up and trapped between the home and the soil, creating a pocket around your home. This can be filled in with packed down soil. Maybe at the same time, you could check and fix sloping. You can deal with this too. Next, window wells are another potential source of basement flooding. Window wells are a little depression around the window in your basement where rainwater can collect. If you have window wells, make sure that they are cleared out so that they can properly drain. This will help stop water from building up and causing flooding. Also, check cracks in your basement walls. Though you're less likely to get massive flooding through cracks, the water could still do damage to your drywall and have the same risk to your flooring and possible mold if not treated properly. And finally, make sure you keep your gutters and downspouts free of debris. Gutters and downspouts take the water that hits the roof to the edge of your home and down and away from the property. If these are blocked, water will simply flow over them and leads to excessive pooling around the home. This can lead to leaks and makes your sub pump have to work harder. Keep these clear and have the downspouts take the water at least 2 meters away from the home on a slope towards a drain. Thanks for watching, and it's time to come home to the Blue Coast.